And thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, with an update on the current status of the major outage that we had from our winter storm. Currently, people with power is 91%, so we are getting there. Outages are 4,474, and people that are affected are 1,073. 337 people are affected, and the last update was at 9:32. All right, I'm gonna take you flying here for just a second, and then we'll go back to the map here. So if you are in okay, let me just think here for a minute. I don't want to guess at it. Okay. Let me think here for a minute. There's two different updates. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, so if you are affected, if there's any purple, that would be 1 out of 50 customers that are affected. It will show that on the map. Pink would be 51 out of 200 customers. Orange is 201 out of 1,000. And then in red would be 1,000 plus. So that's a lot of customers as well. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you a picture of the map, and then I will have a current update of what is going on. Now, as you can see right now, that there is a lot of people affected by the storm, but the areas that don't that are not affected by this powerful storm, it did hit everybody, but for those that do have power and was not affected, thank goodness it wasn't you. But you can see in southwestern Michigan, a lot of areas were affected. I'll have an update on that coming up. So if you are affected by the storm, just hang on tight. Make sure that you have flashlights, candles, that type of thing, and food and all that, and water. So I'll have an update on when all the power is going to be restored in your area. It is going to take time, but please be patient. The crews will get to you as quick as they can, and that would be Consumers Energy. So just hang on tight. They're working as fast as they can to get all the power restored so everybody has power. Stay tuned. I've got more coming up. Let me see. One moment. And welcome back. I'm going to show you what we have going on in Vicksburg. The temperature right now is 27 degrees. Possible light accumulation with a little bit of accumulation that could develop. Just remember, the outage center is there for you. If, for whatever reason, the outage center is the easiest way to report an outage. So check the status of the existing outage or get the helpful outage preparation tips as well. And I think that's all I was going to say in that. And the other thing that you can do is also call 911 if there are downed trees or power lines, especially the power lines. You want to take that seriously. Or you can call 1-800-477-5050. So please pay attention to that. Now, this is the current situation that we have so far. People with power were up to 91.0%, so that's actually a good sign. There is 250 crews in the field right now. Customers right now at this time that are affected. Let me see. Oh, that says current outages right now with people that don't have power. That would be 4,483. And customers affected total would be 1,073. 388 customers are still affected, and they're still in the dark. I know, it's not fun. That means the areas that do not have power, that means that businesses are closed. They're not able to open up for business. So just hang on tight. Consumers Energy is working around the clock to make sure that power is fully restored so businesses can open up. So not a lot to be excited about. Okay, now we will be talking about the storm update, and majorly of customers will be restored power by Sunday. So that is actually good news. Crews making progress in all hands on deck restoration after the major ice storm that we currently had. Stay tuned. I'm going to bring up that article. Stay tuned. And that will complete our storm update. And I will keep you guys up to date on where we're at on that situation. Stay tuned. Okay, and here is the last update that I do have. And this is the update. Like I said, power will be restored by Sunday, so everybody please hold on tight. And this is just to give you a glance. I don't know if you're able to see that very well, but this gives you a description of what has happened and what the update is. I would read all of it, but I am going to be showing you some videos as well from the damage as well coming up. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me this morning, and I am Eric on Chief Eric's Storm Forecast, Channel 1. Stay tuned, I have it all here. Please leave me a like, comment, and I will see you guys in just a few moments.